In the U.S., the most commonly piece of equipment used is a skid steer. Chances are you'll need to use one or come across one in your lifetime. I've been using one since the age of 14. The proper use of a skid steer is the difference between a good experience with one and a bad one. In this speech, I will be demonstrating a skid steer and what it is, what you should do before you do it as a pre-trip inspection, and how to use it to remove snow. First, let's go over a little more about skid steer. A skid steer is a compact loader. This one is a L190 New Holland. It weighs around 7,100 pounds. It's a 63 horsepower and can lift up to 5,000 pounds. Pre-trip inspection includes just looking over the skid steer, making sure there's no leaks, nothing broken, nothing that looks out of the ordinary, and then checking the grease zerks. Back in the engine bay, we check the leaks as well, and check the oil, which I've already checked just to save on time for this, and make sure nothing's loose. After we've looked everything over, get inside and go over some basic controls so we can put the skid steer to use. First off, in these new skid steers, to even start them, you'll have to use the seat belt as a safety feature. From there on out, you just turn the key and press operate. Then, here's your throttle, which you throttle up to give you more horsepower. And then basically you have 2 foot pedals down here with your feet, and one controls the bucket up and down, the other one pivots the bucket. Other than that, this is how you move forward and back, just on a operating system there. There on out, basically, you just, to remove snow, you just put the bucket down on the concrete, and before you get to the grass, lift the bucket so you don't tear the grass out of the ground. And now I'll be demonstrating that. Now that we know a little more about a skid steer and that we put it to use, you can now see why it is such an important part of basic construction sites. It is. In this speech, we have gone over the basics of a skid steer, what to do before you operate it, and then how to operate it and put it to use. Thanks.